Good morning, my beautiful students. How are you, girls? How are you? Okay, today we will finish Unit 1, Lesson 4, girls. In our book, we can. But first of all, I will tell you the day and the date. Today is what? Today is Monday, and the spelling is Monday. What about the date? The date is 28/6/1443 after Hijrah, okay? So we will start the dictation first. After that, what are the classroom rules? Rule number 1, follow directions quickly. Rule number 2, raise your hand for permission to speak. Rule number 3, raise your hand for permission to leave your seat. Rule number 4, make smart choices. And rule number 5, keep your dear teacher happy. Okay? So, after that, I need you, my beautiful students, to copy this sentence between the lines. You have to copy actions speak louder than words. So, actions speak louder than words. You have to copy this sentence until the end of the page, okay? After that, ask and answer game. If I ask you, girls, what is the past of speak? Spoke, write, wrote, swim, swam, do, did, break, broke, drink, drank, go, went, okay? Then, as I told you girls at the beginning of my video, that today we will take Unit 1, Lesson 4, page 8 and 9. And I will start with the first word in my lesson today. What can you see, girls? I can see sand. So again, sand. S-A-N-D. S-A-N-D. Again, S-A-N-D. What about the second word? What can you see here? We call it, girls, we call it tent. Tent. T-E-N-T. T-E-N-T. Tent. The third word, what is this? This is a plant. So this is what? This is a plant. P-L-A-N-T. P-L-A-N-T. If I ask you girls, what does a plant need to grow? The plant needs water, sun, and seed to grow, right? And water also. Okay? So, then girls, the missing letters are in this word T-N-E-R or N-D or N-T. Of course, the right answer is N-T. What about here, girls? The missing letters are P-L-A, N-T, N-D or O-R. Of course, N-T. Okay? After that, I will ask you to write some words in your notebook. Then, girls, please open your book, page number 8 and 9, then listen, okay? Listen, please. Wait a minute, please, girls. Listen.
Phonics, Exercise 1. Listen, read, and practice.
ND, sand. NT, tent. Sand, 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 sand. Tent, 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 tent.
Okay, girls, exercise 2. Listen and check ND or NT, then complete the word. Listen.
Exercise 2. Listen and check ND or NT. Then complete the words.
Hand, 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 hand. Paint, 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 paint. Stand, 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 stand. Plant, 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 plant.
So, girls, number 1, hand, ND. Number 2, paint, NT. Number 3, stand, ND. And number 4, plant, NT. You have to write here NT, then put a true or a tick here, okay? Then listen and circle the words ending in nd or nt, then chant. Listen, please.
Listen and circle the words ending in ND and NT. Then chant.
First listen and circle. There is sand all around. There is sand in my hand. Golden sand in the sun. There's a tent on the land. There's a tent on the sand. Golden sand in the sun. Are you ready?
So, girls, listen. There is sand all around. There is sand in my hand. Golden sand in the sun. There is a tent on the land. There is a tent on the sand. Golden sand in the sun. Okay? So, girls, you have to circle the words ending in nd or nt, like sand, tent, sand, hand, tent, sand, land, sand, and sand also here. Okay? Then listen. The last one.
Challenge time. Exercise 4. In the shopping mall. Can you be an information person and show a partner the right store? First, let's practice reading the store signs. Billy Goat's suits and coats. Blue Cow shoes. Juicy fruits. Snow Go. Now practice the store names and what they sell. Billy Goat Suits and Coats sells suits and coats. Blue Cow Shoes sells boots, shoes, and sandals. Juicy Fruits sells mangoes, grapefruit, and oranges. Snow Go sells snowboards and skis.
Okay.
Now, make pairs. One partner is the customer.
Okay, girls, we will do this exercise together, girls. So, your homework is page 77 and 78 in your activity book, okay? This is the end of my lesson today, girls. Thank you for listening and watching, and goodbye. Goodbye, girls.